Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexia Leanne. So today we'll be doing not an unboxing but another wallet that I have. I just wanted to kind of go through the details of it to kind of show you what it is. I know in the other video I showed you I just got a Louis Vuitton key pouch. Well, in this one I just kind of want to show you guys my Louis Vuitton Zippy. And this is how this one looks. Now right now this is almost my everyday wallet. It's, you know, it's much thicker, a little thicker, but again this is like kind of, I think it's like more like a limited edition, but it is the Zippy Coin, I believe. But this has this little charm on here. Hint, my favorite color is pink, so I just had to get this one. Don't need that Starbucks gift card in there. But again, this is how this one looks in the inside. It has that beautiful hot pink in there, like a fuchsia. This one, it has like 6 credit card things you can hold. The one in the middle that holds your ID. But you can put coins in anything in this as well. I really like this one. Again, I always love the monogram print, especially with it being gold. I had this wallet a little bit over a year and a half, I believe, and it still looks brand new. Just look at this. So if you wanted something on the smaller side yet compact, you can use this one. Again, I can throw this one in my pochette accessoire purse as well, and it fits lovely in there. It's not too bulky or anything. Again, that one does come with a little dust bag, which is always nice to help keep your things looking new and preserve the material and the leather of it. But y'all, this one is maybe $5.95, something like that, but it's worth it to me. Like I said, you can use this one for almost anything, casual, dressy, use it any way that you see fit. But again, this is how this looks in the inside. You can store so much in there. I'm usually putting my debit cards and my credit cards in here, and always my ID. But again, this is the wallet you can get as well. I've taken this one several times to work on occasions. It does fit in my pocket, but I feel like I wanted something slimmer, so that's why I did get the Louis Vuitton key pouch. But like I said, it's up to your preference, what you think. But I just wanted to kind of show you kind of like a comparison. And I can show you a comparison really quick if you didn't watch my key pouch video. On my key pouch video, I'll link that one up above though, so if you want to see an in-depth video on that one. But this is the key pouch with the key fob that you can put on there. And this is the Louis Vuitton Zippy Coin. So you kind of see how they look side by side. And let me show you like this. So again, it's just kind of your preference, but they're still really good wallets to carry every day. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up that video on my Louis Vuitton Zippy Coin. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss anything, because y'all, I'm really putting out content for you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.